Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume up button, tap on them all together at once and keep holding. If it's not rebooted yet, just tap on power button again. And once you see the logo, you can remove your finger and wait till your phone is rebooted, and then you will be able to use it again. And that's it. As you can see now, you can unlock it and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.